What's up, everyone? Today, I'm diving into GMGN, which is quickly becoming my favorite trading suite for Solana. If you've been struggling with slow swaps or getting rugged on meme coins, this bot is a total game changer. I'm going to show you how it works and give you an invite code to get started with the best features. So why GMGN over other bots? First, the speed is incredible. You're getting in before the crowd. But more importantly, it has built-in security filters. It scans for honeypots and dev activity automatically. I personally love the Smart Money Tracker, which lets me see what the most profitable wallets are buying the second they do it. Setting this up is super straightforward. Once you land on the platform, it'll generate a secure trading wallet for you. Just send some SOL to that address, tweak your slippage settings. I usually keep mine around 10 to 15% for volatile launches. And you're ready to go. Just paste a contract address and you can hit buy instantly. To get the best experience and unlock all the pro features, make sure to use the referral code LEVELING. Using this code helps support the channel and ensures you're getting the most out of the GMGN ecosystem. I've put the direct link in the description and the pinned comment to make it easy for you. Before I let you go, remember, the Solana meme coin market moves fast. Always use the built-in limit order tools to take profits on the way up and set a stop loss so you don't get caught in a dump. Trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.